Well guys, this is what happens when you work on a computer, been down for a year, and you get results like this. Toshiba laptop, I believe it's like a 2000, between 5 and 8, 7, something like that. Just another job successful. Like I said, if you need help on one, just give me a shout. And here it is. It's charging. As you see, there's the, I got to work on the keyboard for the battery, or the pad there, letters and all that. It's up and powered up again, once again. Old computer, Toshiba, 276-285-1717. Give me a shot if you like it. I'm letting the battery charge up on it now and work on the keypad a little bit more, and it should be up and running. Thank you and have a good day.